The support guy asked me for an RX file to help me troubleshoot, but RX is not where it used to be. What can I do? Hi and welcome to Hitchhiker's Guide to 3D Experience. My name is Christoffer. I'm a certified SOLIDWORKS expert and an elite application engineer with a passion for the 3D Experience platform. In this video we will look at how to access the RX tool in both SOLIDWORKS Desktop and in SOLIDWORKS Connected. When needed, SOLIDWORKS RX can be launched outside of SOLIDWORKS in a SOLIDWORKS desktop installation just by searching for SOLIDWORKS RX in the Windows Start menu. But just like with the SOLIDWORKS Task Scheduler in my previous video, this is not the case for SOLIDWORKS Connected installations. Once again though, it is possible to create a shortcut to launch SOLIDWORKS RX from outside of SOLIDWORKS. But first, let's just go through how to launch the RX tool from inside of SOLIDWORKS. In SOLIDWORKS Connected, the SOLIDWORKS RX tool can be accessed from the Help menu by clicking SOLIDWORKS RX. Locating and launching SOLIDWORKS RX outside of SOLIDWORKS is a little trickier, at least the first time. The SOLIDWORKS RX application can be found on the C drive under Program Files, Common Files, SOLIDWORKS Shared 2024 in the SLDRX folder. In this folder there is an application called SLDRX. Double-clicking this will launch the SOLIDWORKS RX tool. And from here you can then proceed to create a shortcut to the application and place it in your desktop or in the Windows Start menu or wherever you want to access the tool from in the future. All right, that's it for now. If you made it all the way through, please leave a comment if you have anything else you would like to see covered in a future video. Make a wish and it might come true. Also, if you haven't yet, go check out my previous video on finding the SOLIDWORKS Task Scheduler in SOLIDWORKS Connected. And I think I ran out of words for today. So thanks for now. See you next time.